Cryptocurrency investment guide for beginners. How to get profit from Bitcoin. Future of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency invented by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Operates on a decentralized network secured by cryptography. Limited supply of 21 million bitcoins, leading to value appreciation over time. Gained popularity as an alternative investment and store of value. Challenges faced include scalability, security, and regularity compliance. Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining creates new bitcoins and verifies transactions. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles. Miners receive new bitcoins and transaction fees as rewards. Mining plays a role in securing the Bitcoin network. Energy consumption for mining has raised concerns. Safe investment in Bitcoin. Bitcoin security relies on cryptography and decentralized network. Individual users' security practices are crucial. Choose reputable and secure wallets. Bitcoin has faced hacking and fraud incidents but has improved security measures. Safety is a combination of network security and user practices. Bitcoin acceptance. Bitcoin is accepted by various merchants and businesses worldwide. Examples include Microsoft, Overstock.com, AT&T, and Shopify. Online retailers, brick and mortar stores, and service providers accept Bitcoin. Bitcoin debit cards and payment processors allow Bitcoin use at any merchants accepting cards. Top 5 Bitcoin exchanges. Binance, global exchange with low fees and fast transactions. Coinbase, user-friendly exchange with various services. Kraken, established exchange with advanced tools. Gemini, regulated exchange in the US. Bitstamp, reputable exchange operational since 2011. Future of Bitcoin. Uncertain future influenced by various factors. Mainstream adoption could increase value and use. Regularity developments can impact legitimacy and growth. Technology advancements could improve scalability and security. Competition from other cryptocurrencies may arise. Environmental concerns due to energy consumption. How to track lost bitcoins. Check out Bitcoin wallets and accounts for overload bitcoins. Use a blockchain explorer to track transactions associated with the lost bitcoins. Contact cryptocurrency exchanges for information if used for trading. Report stolen bitcoins to law enforcement, although recovery might be difficult. Consider professional help if a significant number of bitcoins are lost. For more information, visit our website www.mrsmuraari.com. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.